with me when I walk through fire, even when I face the giant. In the darkness with the light, tell the devil that he's a lie. And even when I'm in the waiting, in all of my broken places, can be faithful, I am faithful. And I will not be afraid, I'll be okay. I'll be okay. And I'll be okay.
Wake up, wake up. What's going on here? Watch here. Joel, you're up and about.
No, you must learn animal song.
Start learning about animals already. So early in the morning.
Me. What says me? Goat.
Say good morning, guys. Good morning, LWSS family.
Good morning. Good morning,
Joel, I doing one thing.
What makes that sound? Horse. Nice.
Alright, guys. So we're going to take you through our morning routine. So normally after waking up, we'll just lay in the bed and cuddle a little. We would also play with Joel and quiz him just to get his brain active and going. So right after that, we usually go right into our morning devotion. Shan usually reads from the Bible and the daily word while I do the prayer. After that, I would make tea for Joel while Shan makes the bed and tidy the room.
I just finished making the bed and Sam ran with Joel to give him a bath and to give him his tea, right? So while he's doing that, I'll be doing this unboxing for you guys. So I received this package like about 3 days ago. Yes, so it's a TEAMI 30 days detox tea, right? So I'll be showing you guys what's in it. Alright guys, so that's how the packaging looks. I think this looks really good. Alright, so when you open it, it says, let the journey begin. Right? We have this TEAMI tumbler on the go. Alright, so I'm going to open it. The package getting is really nice. Like, the packaging is really good. So that's the bottle. Very cute. With a little string, you can carry it. So if you're going to the gym or you're going for a run, you can carry a bottle. And so open it up. You have a strainer inside, right? Because one of the tea, I think it's like leaf. So when you put it in here, you don't really want, when you drink, the leaf will come up in your mouth. So you have the strain off the leaf. Right? And then just open it up. Very cute bottle. Very cute bottle. Alright, so also comes with a calendar. I'm not sure if you've seen it, but it's a little calendar, detox calendar. So you tick off as you go by. So you have the TEAMI Skinny and the TEAMI Polar. This one, the TEAMI Skinny, you drink this one in the morning, and then the TEAMI Polar, you drink this every other night, right? So the purpose of this detox program is to naturally help cleanse, reset and refresh your body in just 2 simple steps. So like I said, you drink the TEAMI Skinny skinny every morning and you drink the tea with colon every other night before bed, right? It says this program is perfect for everyone's lifestyle. The ingredients now. Alright, guess what guys? Me can call some of them name here, but what I see that I can call, you have the lime leaf extract and you have the ginger root. I'll just put it on the screen so you can see the ingredients that is included, the skinny and the colon, right? It's also GMO free, gluten free, dairy free, and sugar free, right? While we're making breakfast, I'll be making the TEAMI skinny, so you'll see how I make it and I'll tell you how it tastes and all of that. So I'll be doing an updated video to show you like the progress and to see, you know, what it really do, and in terms of energy wise, if it gives me any, you know, if it boosts my energy, because it's supposed to boost your energy. It's supposed to help with bloating also, like me always bloated. So I'll see if I'll tell you how it works in the updated video. But I am super excited to try my new TEAMI 30 days detox. I've just finished making my TEAMI skinny detox tea, and I use 1 teaspoon of the leaves, loose leaf, right? So I use 1 teaspoon of the leaf and boiling water. So guys, if you're interested in getting this detox tea, you can check the description for the link, and also you can use my discount code to get 15% off your purchase. How cool is that? Yeah, so let's get straight into making breakfast.
So I did promise you guys that I was going to tell you how the tea tastes, right? Well, I would say it tastes like when you make a regular tea bag. For example, like a Lipton tea or regular bush tea, minus the sugar. So that's how it tastes to me. But I must say it smells really good. Kinda smell like fever grass in my opinion.
Eat the percentage here. What?
No, I don't want to know.
You don't want it?
Daddy.
No. What? What do you want? You don't want the egg? Taste the egg. Taste the egg. Taste the egg. Really, Joel? Really? Taste the egg. Taste the egg. Look. Egg. Egg. Mmm. Mmm. You didn't know it was egg. Want me to feed you? Mmm.
So I'm going out now to wash the car, and Shan has a client coming, so she's going to do someone's hair today.
See
So we'll
you
see you
in another video. Peace.